Climate change, according to science, is making the world a place that suffers more extreme weather events. So we're getting more storms in more places. We're getting greater droughts at the same time in more places.
There's some talk about potentially raising the hurricane category scale to include a 6, so for stronger winds than we currently have.
In Climate Watch, a new United Nations report warns the impacts of climate change are increasing and inevitable.
Well, today our focus is on climate change. Over the last 10 years, sea levels have risen at an alarming rate. Biodiversity is reportedly declining faster than that of any time in human history. And millions of people have been affected by extreme weather like hurricanes and floods.
Hello, I'm Stephen Wright on the AGG news station in Ohio. In weather news, we have some reports that climate change is getting worse, and in some areas that are known for being colder warmer than usual. We have our reporter Susan Maynard in Tallahassee, Florida. Susan, how are you doing?
Thanks, Stephen. I'm doing all right. Here in Tallahassee, there have been reports of 120-degree weather, and I feel like I'm about to pass out. It's way too hot to be outside.
That does not sound good. Are there any reports of people suffering from a heat stroke?
Yes, and there have been many reports.
How many?
Approximately 230, according to the Tallahassee Police Department.
Wow, that isn't good at all. Stay safe.
I will try. Thank you. Have a great day.
Well, in other news, the Emergency Alert System, or EAS, was recently hacked by an individual who calls himself Mr. Gerd.
Okay, explain it to me one more time. Why do you think the moon landing was faked?
We're both skeptics, right? So think about it skeptically. There's no way NASA had the technology to go to the moon. They just filmed it on a soundstage. That would have been way easier.
Yeah, that's what conspiracy theorists think. But the truth is, faking the moon landing in 1969 actually would have been harder than just going to the moon in the first place.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties/areas. Dallas, effective until 7:56 p.m. Message from KDFW/NWS. At 3:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located just west of Dallas and moving east at 42 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. Locations in warning area include Dallas, Irving, Garland, and Richardson. Seek shelter now.
But if you try to recreate that same photo using studio lighting,
tornado emergency for Little Rock. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: in Arkansas, Pulaski, until 8:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed in Little Rock, moving northeast at 63 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Little Rock,
Event type is tornado. For Sherwood Park, Edmonton, tornado warning in effect for Sherwood Park, Edmonton. Take cover when threatening weather approaches. Please monitor for further updates to this alert.
This station is temporarily offline. This station is temporarily offline. Here is recent news. Climate change has caused a nationwide tornado outbreak. Extremely high risk of a large chunk of the polar ice caps breaking and causing a massive tsunami. This station is temporarily offline. This station is temporarily offline. Here is recent news.
The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the West Coast, including the states of Alaska, California, Oregon, and Washington. A mega tsunami has been formed due to an extremely large chunk of the polar ice caps collapsing, and this tsunami is headed for the West Coast at a speed of 592 miles per hour. If you are in the states that were mentioned, or near them, evacuate to the East Coast now. Stay tuned to local media for further information.
Event type is tsunami. For British Columbia and Yukon until further notice. This event type was recently created, due to an imminent tsunami threat. This is not a test or drill. A tsunami was formed due to an extremely large chunk of the polar ice caps collapsing. To repeat, a tsunami is headed for British Columbia and Yukon. This is not a test or drill. Evacuate now.
メガ津波は日本に向けられており、すべてのフライトは一時的に無料ですべての居住者が避難することを保証します。今すぐ避難しましょう。今すぐあなたの地元の空港に行き、避難しましょ
う。A mega tsunami is headed for Japan. All flights are free temporarily to ensure all residents evacuate. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. Go to your local airport now and evacuate.
Это экстренная трансляция. Цунами было недавно сформировано из-за разрушения полярных ледяных шапок. Этот цунами затронет следующие страны: Россию, Соединенные Штаты, Канаду, Японию, Северную и Южную. Эвакуировать сейчас.
This is an emergency broadcast. A tsunami was recently formed due to a large chunk of the polar ice caps collapsing. This tsunami will affect the following countries: Russia, the United States, Canada, Japan, and North and South Korea. Evacuate now. God bless Mother Russia.
The National Weather Service has issued a hurricane warning for the following areas: Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Mississippi, South Carolina, Texas, and Louisiana, effective until August 25th, 8:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Message from EasyCap. At 1:34 p.m., a hurricane, named Hurricane Crystal, was confirmed to be headed for the United States. This hurricane is the first EF6 hurricane. Wind speeds are approximately 433 miles per hour. High wind speeds and flooding will be deadly. Evacuate now. Follow hurricane evacuation routes.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, serving Grand Canyon, Arizona, and operating on a frequency of 162.475. Here is the 5 p.m. observations. In Phoenix, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. In elevated fire weather risk for all of Arizona. Extreme heat has increased the risk for fire weather. Please stay tuned for potential warnings, watches, and advisories.
Though I, like many other critics, have written off Gusteau as irrelevant since the great chef's death, this soup was a revelation. A spicy yet subtle taste experience.
Soline Leclerc?
Yes! Against all odds, Gusteau's has recaptured our attention. Only time will tell if they deserve it.
Well,
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pima County Emergency Management, Tucson, Arizona. The wildfire is burning out of control south of Tucson near the Tucson International Airport and South Nogales Highway. Residents within a 34-mile radius of the Tucson International Airport must evacuate now. Bring supplies, such as food, water, and medical supplies. If you have pets, take them with you. Stay tuned to local media for updates.
All week if you must.
Soup.
Introducing the new Impossible Crust Sandwich.
This is plants?
This is so good.
I can't believe it.
This definitely tastes just as good as sausage.
I think it might taste better.
The following message is transmitted at the request of all police stations in the state of Ohio. You are advised to stay inside and do not go outdoors for any reason at this time. Mass rioting is occurring within the state of Ohio due to beliefs that the United States government is to blame for recent events caused by climate change. These riots have caused extreme damage to every major city within Ohio. Police forces are currently attempting to deal with the situation. Stay tuned to local media for further information.
Civil emergency message. A dangerous situation is occurring throughout the state of Texas. The following message is transmitted at the request of all police stations within the state of Texas. Violent riots are occurring within the state of Texas, due to beliefs that the U.S. government is to blame for recent events caused by climate change. Damage to all cities is occurring. Do not go outside at this time. Stay tuned to local media for further information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Utah State Police. Riots are causing damage to every city within Utah. Do not go outside at this time. Many people have perished as a result of the riots. Stay tuned to local media, NOAA Weather Radio, or internet sources for further information.
This is an emergency action notification message. Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States. Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States. Please stand by.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States of America.
My fellow Americans, climate change has affected the United States and many other countries negatively. As I speak, a hurricane is destroying many southwestern states, and a fire is burning Arizona. Many American residents are rioting in the streets, destroying property, buildings, and factories, blaming the government for destroying our planet. While this is half true, we have also tried to prevent climate change from getting worse. To prevent further destruction, the United States government, along with state police and myself, are ordering all residents to end all rioting. If you don't, you will be arrested or even shot. You are allowed to go outside for shopping or go outside for anything but rioting. This concludes my message. God bless America.
I don't have any knives. Don't they give knives here?
I usually sit over there. What am I doing over here?
And here we go, guys, in 3,
You guys need to do this thing. This is called the slate.
Mark it.
There you go. And that's how we start it all off.
Out of their seats and at it again, the judges are always enthused to take on the Chopped Kitchen after hours.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Event type is civil. Extreme riots within every province are causing damage to every city within Canada. These riots are occurring due to residents believing that the US and Canadian governments are to blame for the increase of extreme weather caused by climate change. Do not go outside at this time.
Okay, let's explain what is a pickleback.
A pickleback is something that you might have after hours because you take the shot of whiskey and then you take a shot of pickle juice. And as it goes down, it feels like, to me, like a warm BLT.
That's strange.
It is strange, but I gotta tell you, there's nothing better.
So, Alex, Empress of Acidity, how do you like these ingredients?